Hi dear, today I will introduce Lingbo automatic insulating glass production line, which is suitable for processing double-layer insulating glass, triple-layer insulating glass, coated insulating glass, tempered insulating glass, low-E insulating glass. The machine adopts an inclined structure, stable conveying, PLC control, touch screen display and switching, and automatic detection of key components. The machine can complete functions such as glass conveying, glass cleaning, drying, spacer positioning, automatic assembling, pressing plates, and insulating glass output. It can also automatically monitor the operating status of the machine, thereby controlling the operation of the machine, avoiding failures, ensuring product quality, and improving safety performance. The production line is efficient, energy-saving, safe, easy to operate, small in footprint, and beautiful in appearance. It is currently the best machine for insulating glass production.